Hi, Luke Woods here, Glass Times Magazine. I'm back at Regency Glass's amazing facility here in Warrington. 420,000 square foot, largest glass facility type in the UK. Last time I was here, November last year, back with Steve Massey, Chief Sales Officer at Regency. Steve, since there's just under a year, I'd say, about 10 months since I was here.
Yeah.
At that time, there was the beginnings of the new factory. A lot's happened since then. For starters, you've moved in the old factory from Lee, so that's up and running. So give us a brief overview where we're at today compared to November last year.
Well, when you last came, Luke, there was virtually nothing here. I think we had the two lines were in, but not working. One of them was in bits. Since then, we've actually undertaken a mammoth task of moving our old facility from Lee, which was 100,000 square foot of manufacturing equipment. Yeah. Dismantled that and reassembled it over in this area.
So that is over in this area is?
Yeah, a lot of that equipment is the old kit that we rebuilt over here.
Yeah.
Where we still now do exist.
Yeah.
So those that use the framing for it, and we built and designed this so that when customers come and have a look around, we can have a good overview of the whole facility.
Yep.
Ultimately, when we finish what we're doing in the new sections down here and over there, you won't really be able to walk around easily. No. You'll be a lot of automated equipment in operation. So from a safety point of view and from a vantage of overview of what we want to show people, this is the best spot really. So over this side is a mix of old and new. Over this side is still a mix of old and new.
Yeah, two new production lines of the far two equipment you can see from here, two long white lines. Behind that you can see a relatively empty space, which is probably about a quarter to a third of the factory space.
Yeah.
That is the future growth.
So as the market develops, as we move on, we can continually add to it. We've already got the electrics there and the walls are in place, so we can just plug and play. We'll be back when we move on. The corning glass constantly is over there. I don't think that was there where you last came. So we're up and running with the thin triple product for the last 8 weeks. So we're manufacturing and delivering to customers, old and new. Existing business is still the same, so we're still making double or maybe triple, as we call it. So where we're at now is brand new factory and an old factory integrated into this fantastic new facility.
It's an amazing facility, and I think to date, 30 million.
Yeah, 30 million investment
in capital expenditure than what we're seeing today. Phase 2 is just underway, so there's more.
Yep, just ordered phase 2, which is going to be integrated with the cutting of conventional glass over there, and further production lines for the thin triple products over there.
Perhaps the big product, really the big news from all this is the new Regency triple.
Yeah.
Which is, as you say, it's been in production now for 8 weeks, ramping up production. Amazing product. If anyone wants to know more about that, obviously they can contact you guys hit Regency.
When there's nothing better coming here to see you firsthand. We've got a great training room where you guys from the press were this morning. Where we can explain the product, show videos. You can handle the samples of the product, solve through its benefits, and then we go on the shop floor you next to see it in manufacture.
And by then, this new Nexus suite, which gives you a fantastic overview of the whole factory, should be up and running, and you'll be able to get a first-hand view with the level of automation, the level of investment. Really exciting products are a really kind of key point really for the industry. Lots more to come from Regency Glass. More information in the next issue of Glass Times Magazine. I'm going to say, if anyone wants to learn anything more about it, contact you guys here.
Yeah.